Brayden, what are you doing?
Building.
What are you building?
I'm nothing. I'm working on your car.
What are you going to do with my car?
Build.
Build what? Look here.
Fix your car.
What part of my car are you going to fix? Tell Dad.
The whole place.
The whole place?
Yep.
I thought you were fixing the motor.
What? No.
No? Are you watching them mow? Okay, say love you, Dad.
Love you, Dad. I'm gonna fix Mom's car.
Oh yeah, put your goggles on.
They're not goggles.
Now say love you to Dad.
Love you, Dad.